This is my trip out to Trona Pinnacles, located in the center of the California deserts. It's about a 3-hour drive from Los Angeles or Las Vegas. It's located near the town of Ridgecrest. It's a very unique geological area with a bunch of limestone pillars. These limestone pillars were deposited from an old dry lake bed long ago. You'll take long desert roads to get out there, but they're very beautiful and very little traffic, which is unusual for Los Angeles. It's quite a scenic drive though. Once you get to the park, you'll enter 3 miles of dirt road. It's a little bit pothole filled and some water on it from recent rains, but normally they're a little bit better shape than this. It is passable by a passenger car. I'm using a truck, making it a little bit easier and faster, but it's only 3 miles long. First thing you'll come across is some parked rail cars. Those are kind of fun to explore. However, mind the no trespassing signs. Some sandy areas, not too deep, but the RVs have chosen a separate path alongside. Again, some puddles, but the base of these puddles is fairly compact, so I don't think it's a problem for passenger cars or RVs. You can explore lots of different roads around. This is from the south side of the park. And these little roads wind all throughout the pinnacles, and they're worth driving through. Most of the roads are in pretty good shape. A few rocks here and there that may require navigating, but it's pretty much easy driving all the way through. Places to camp. There are no facilities throughout the park though. Up with some hot water. Put that in here. Self-sealing bag, so once you're done, you eat it right out of here. Once you're done, you seal it back up, and there's no mess whatsoever. So really, the only thing you got to wash is your spoon. That's pretty cool. So here's my setup. I got 7.5 gallons of water, way more than what I need. I'm just going to throw a pad and a sleeping bag right underneath, right on the back of the truck. I'll actually be down out of the wind, and there's no weather. Temperature is perfect. Got my lounger chair right there. I brought some extra stuff. I've got my big camouflage tarp just in case. Those are very versatile, so you can use it for all kinds of different things. I've got my recovery tracks, my shower head here. I did bring my shower with me. I'm probably not going to use it. It's only one night, and I didn't do any hiking. I'm not a big deal, but it's pretty warm. It's been in the drive all day, so this is my shower right here. Feels kind of warm still, so that's cool. And of course I got my camera set up here. We're taking some photos, and the stars are just now starting to come out, so it is really going to be beautiful. You can see there's only one other camper. I could have got a more desolate area, but I really like this little spot here.